This is Espaço Coffe. So nice in the beautiful place here in Okinaw Island. Look how beautiful. Sky Center factory. It's in front the port. So nice and the view beautiful. And they have some place here for at night. They have one. Look how gorgeous is the pension. Deixa eu filmar um tiquinho aqui. They are so beautiful. Huh? So beautiful place. They have a lot of caps. And look how beautiful is here. Some ceramics. So nice. Welcome everybody to the Espaço Coffe factory in Okinaw Island. See you next time.